this year Apple event, their logo was really amazing. It was very vibrant, it's very colorful. Also the logo animation, the treatment on this video also is really amazing. So let's recreate this logo on Illustrator. Let's learn how to recreate this logo animation logo on Illustrator. Also on the next video I will upload how to animate this logo animation, means the Apple event 2021 logo animation also. So stay tuned for that also. In this video let's recreate the same logo. So just copy this image and go to Illustrator, and also just create a new artboard. So here you can just click create a new, then you can create a new artboard. So you can see a lot of preset here. Just select any preset, a full HD preset, and create. So you'll get your artboard here. Now just press Control V to paste our image into here, or you can import in another method also if you already know. And go to pen tool. P is the shortcut to get pen tool, and just recreate this logo. So click and drag, and so this fill color you can just swap from here into stroke, then you can see the logo exactly. Also you don't have to create the perfect shapes. There are some tools you can smoothen these shapes, I'll tell you later. So just recreate this logo, or you can work with your own logo also. You don't have to recreate this Apple logo. Anyway, we have this logo, and I just apply one stroke color and make it dark, and here you can increase the stroke weight and change the corner into corner cap into roundness, everything. So anyway, here you can see a smooth tool. I told you you can smoothen your shapes. So based on this, so just select your shapes and choose select the smooth tool, then just redraw your shapes again. You can smoothen your shapes again. It's really important tool in Illustrator. Also if you double click on this smooth tool, you can access the properties and just increase the smoothness, then you will get very very smoothen shapes. So yeah, it's very simple actually. Now we are done with that. Now we have to add this gradient into this logo. Before that, let's take this colors code, all these green, yellow, orange, red, all these colors. Let's just eyedropper this. So I'm going to create a new rectangle. M is a shortcut for to create a new rectangle tool, and make it into fill. Also just select and hold the Alt key and click and drag. You can duplicate the shapes, then press Ctrl D. You can repeat the same shapes again and again. Actually we need 7 boxes, so we are done. And also here choose eyedropper tool. I is the shortcut for the eyedropper. Then choose every colors, then yellow, then orange, red, purple, blue, the last color light blue also. Now we have to recreate, we have to select the shades between these colors. So I just duplicate these shapes, and you can delete the top one shapes, that's not necessary. You may just align. So actually we are taking the shades between, say for example, if you look at that, the green and yellow, you can see one shades in between. So just capture that shades also, and in between this yellow and orange, also in between red and orange, you can just capture the shapes, these shades also, because this really matter. And this purple is very light color actually, and this blue is a little darker, and here it's look like normal gradient shades only. Anyway, now you have your primary color, also your shades also. Now just copy these three shapes, because we have to take these green color shades also, center and end color. Okay, that's all. So anyway, we have all these color palettes right now. Now select your shapes, and now let's apply these colors into this stroke. So just apply the gradient, and if you don't, you can go to window and you can choose this gradient window. Now here you can see two nodes, one is white and black. So choose green color and double click on this, click on that node and use eyedropper, and choose the last color, that means the blue. Now if you click here, you can create a new nodes, and you can change the colors into red and create another node in between these two nodes, and select the next color. And actually we have two colors in between, green and red. So just create another node and use eyedropper. Here also just two nodes, purple and blue. That's all. See, now the problem, the gradient alignment is not a proper. So here you can change a gradient along with path. So it will coming like this only. So that's what we need. You can swap the gradient from here if you need. Also now do the same thing for this leaf also. Actually we don't want this much gradient nodes. You can just click and move in, just drop into bottom. You can delete the nodes. Now just eyedropper the same ways, select and choose the gradient, and also change the stroke properties into along with paths. Anyway, now I will show you the problem here. See, in between red and the purple, you can see it's light color, but actually it's dark. That's what we already take these shades. So now it's very simple. Just increase your gradient window size. It's very easy to add more nodes if you have the bigger size of gradient window. So anyway, just add another node in between these yellow and green, eyedropper, and choose our shades. Do the same thing for the rest of the gradient nodes in between. Add another nodes and choose our light purple color and blue and purple. So it's very simple actually. Same repeat methods. So that's all. So we are done with the coloring and everything. Now if you look at this logo, the middle is a little thicker. You can see that starting and ending is very small, and the middle one is thicker, but right now everything is same size. So here you can choose the width tool, then click and drag. You can adjust the width in between your strokes. Also you can decrease the size from here. You can reduce the size, the beginning and the bottom, just a little bit. Also for this leaf also, you can choose this width tool and just decrease this size and increase a little bit here. That's all. So you are ready with your Apple 2021 event logo. So on next video, let's animate this logo. So stay tuned for that.